This is Hara somewhere in the back. I was hoping to find the hockey gear.
I wonder what's up there.
Nothing. You can see out
the roof?
Yeah, the roof's up there.
Is that the attic?
Yeah. It's somewhere close to the front because there's a locker room, dude.
Can you go to 775 and check it out?
No, you can't go in there.
Why?
Because there's people in there working right now to fix it. Right here might be the locker room. Let's shine a light in there and see. I hear somebody coming in. There's other people in here though, so it ain't like we're just the only ones. Yeah, this is the locker room.
Bathrooms.
Already been in here, they stripped all the copper out.
No good for us in here.
What'd you say? What'd you say? I don't know if I went back this way, but look what we got right here. Oh shit, here's the locker room. Dayton, Ohio. Oh, okay, he found the locker room. I don't know. Whatever that means. Fucking help me. Help me, never mind. There might be the other teams. Check this locker room out though. Move, man, damn. This should have been here.
Wait, what's in here? Is this the shower?
Okay.
We'll go this way. We ain't went this way yet.
Have we done these rooms? Let's look in here. Look
It's
in
just the same old thing. Let's go.
No, it's not.
Same room as that one, just different side.
I don't know what it is.
We're not. I'm saying
We haven't checked
it's just a closet.
We haven't checked it. That room.
Here we go. These are steps.
Yes. I wonder what's downstairs. Are we gonna check downstairs? Are we gonna check downstairs?
Shut up.
We gotta be careful though. We don't want to walk too far in these rooms. The floor might be soft. There ain't much in here. It's just empty.
I wanna check downstairs.
Bathroom in here. Wait a second, Jace. We're gonna go over here.
I wanna check in the basement.
Nothing in here.
I wanna check in the basement.
There just ain't nothing here.
Can we
There's
check in the basement?
the video I seen a year ago. Dude did. He had all kinds of stuff. There was still a bunch of stuff in
Check
here.
in the basement. What's in here? What's in here?
Come on, Jace, go.
I wanna know what's in here.
A Buckeye sticker.
Can we look in the whole basement?
This was where all the gear was. Here we go. Let's look at this. Last time they played, maybe. What's this say?
This leads out the basement.
Some encouragement, I guess.
Come here, come here. That leads back out. Come here. We haven't checked one room. It's over here.
Place is huge, ain't it?
Never check that. Oh, yeah.
Somebody was about to fix this place back up and make something back out of it too, and then this
We're gonna
happened.
check here.
Turn that video off.